All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't been here before, I'm Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer. And what we do here on the channel is we find products that we can market out there that we can make money on. Now, we've got several different series in here that we're already making money with. But what you want to do is you always want to have more than one thing going so you can have several streams of income coming in. So what we do is we try and find products and systems to make us money so that we don't have to go to that 9-to-5 grind anymore. This is what I do full time. So please subscribe if you have not. Follow along with us. And today, actually, what I want to do is we started with a new product, and we're going to see how well it does. I think it's going to do really well. It's fairly new on the market. And I'm involved in a lot of network marketing, affiliate marketing, and this one actually has a product that I'm going to show you right here. So this is the product that we're talking about today. It's by LiveGood. And the people that put this out have had several successful businesses. Now, this product right now is good timing, right? Because right now, if you look out there on the market, everyone is taking supplements. And a funny story, while I'm on that, me and my wife decided we were going to try and get healthier and try and eat better, and not only that, but try and stay away from a lot of the preservatives and things that the stores and the manufacturers are putting in foods. So we started baking homemade bread and making things from scratch rather than buying them in the store. Seems to be working a lot better. It's amazing to me how many preservatives actually go into the food that we eat to keep it good for as long as it stays good. For instance, we had a loaf of bread that we bought at the store here several weeks ago, and about half of it's gone, and we started making homemade bread, and the homemade bread would go bad within a week because there's no preservatives. It's all natural. And the store-bought bread is still sitting on the counter waiting to see when it goes bad, because now we're kind of curious of how long it's going to take that before those preservatives will make that go bad. So it kind of gives you an idea of the things that you're putting into your body and the things that they're in this food that's out there. So we're trying to do something about it. We've always taken some type of vitamin supplements. We always have protein powders and things like that. So this was kind of a no-brainer for us to get into LiveGood. So I've got these on the way. I just started this process just the day before yesterday. And so these are on the way. We buy these anyway. So through LiveGood, these are highly, highly discounted for us because I joined as a member and an affiliate. And I'll show you some of the pricing in here too. So the pricing is actually pretty amazing on a lot of these products. So if you're already taking supplements, or if you need to be for your vitamins, which anymore I think most of us do, really they've got awesome prices on here. So if I come in here, if you're a member, and honestly, the membership is so cheap, it was kind of a no-brainer for us. What I did was I paid annual, which I do on most of the programs that I run. I just pay for the year. I need to save 20%. So for $150, I paid for the entire year. I get this discount, this huge discount, every time I buy something, plus the other, it was 40 or 50 to be a reseller one time. So now I can also make money off the product as well. So we'll see how that goes. But I did want to get out. This is a new product. And you can see here, and I did do my own research on these as well. I did go into some of the other websites to see, and they are in fact very comparable. And just the pricing is just insane as far as the savings you can get. I looked at some of the most popular brands like Force Factor and some of the brands in GNC and compared these, and the price difference is really good. It's pretty amazing. So if you're into vitamins and if you're into supplements, this would be something good for you. So right here, Super Reds, I was taking the chews from Force Factor for the Reds, and that was getting pretty expensive. So you can see here, this is $18. This is 10 ounces. Now I looked on GNC, and for some of the same comparable powders, this was about double the price. So you can see here, even retail is still cheaper through these guys than it would be through GNC. Now, if you remember, now that's really cheap. So 18 bucks. I will keep you posted on the taste and how these are once I get them. But I ordered Super Red, Super Greens, I ordered vitamins. So we're going to try them all. And like I said, this is a brand new products that came out. And so take a look. I'm going to have a link below this for a free tour. You can get in, you can look around for free, it doesn't cost anything. And you can kind of see the items that they have. And you can also research the making money part, which I'm going to take you into now. Now, I just started this, like I said, but let me see. Let me see where I can go to kind of show you some of the pay stuff here, how they pay. Here we go. View plan description. Okay, so now honestly, if you do decide to do that, not only, of course, you get the huge discounts on the supplements, which are awesome in themselves. You can also, now I think it caps out here per month for not making any sales. So if you even joined and didn't make any sales and you joined as an affiliate, you're going to automatically get people placed under you. And as you do that, I mean, you could make over $2,000 a month without even enrolling anybody yourself, because you're going to be in the matrix, right? Now there are different levels that you can get. So if you are going to make sales, you can go out there and make some sales, and you can go up in levels. And then, of course, you're going to get paid better. You do also, every time you make a sale of the product itself, you do make 50% of the difference between retail and the discount. You make 50% of that price. So that could add up as well. I don't know yet how long these will last us, but even if it's once every couple of months, you know, whoever is buying those and using those from you, then you would get that as well. So it's pretty good. It's a pretty straight compensation plan. It's pretty good from what I've seen, and it's so cheap to get into to start this. It's just another something you can do on the side, and it's not going to cost you a fortune to do it. So if you go monthly, this is $9.95 for membership. Like I said, if you do come in on an annual basis and pay that up front, then you get 20% off. So that's really good to get in there and get this. But you can get in here and you can read. You should be able to read all this even through the tour and kind of see what all these payouts are. You can even do things like if you know somebody with small retail stores, or have somebody put this in their online store or something like that and sell those, and you get a portion of that as well. There's just a lot of different things that you can do in here to make some extra money while you're doing this. So not only are you going to save money on something that you're probably buying anyway, because let's face it, most people that I know, and I know me and my wife both we always buy protein powders and the shake powders and vitamins all the time. So why not get them at a discounted price? We looked at a lot of the ingredients and they are comparable to all the big brands. I know they have some special dietary experts worked on these, the design, and you'll be able to see that inside the tour as well. So what we're going to do with this, we're going to make this into another series. And if you want to get in with this and join us, get in early like we are now, you can follow along. I'm going to show you how to market this and how to put this all together. It's going to be right here on my YouTube channel. I'm going to go through, it probably won't be a complete daily series, but it's going to be close. I'm going to show you what you need to do to get to marketing this product, if that's what you want to do. So again, I appreciate y'all being here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Ring the notification bell so you get notified whenever I put a new video out. Follow along with us. Go ahead and get in this. We're going to show you step by step exactly how to get set up to promote this. Now, when you do, they've already got some. Let me find my account page here. Or it's right here, actually. So whenever you come in here, you've already got the websites built, okay? So whenever you sign up, this is where your tour is going to be. So what you do, if I'm going to have this link below. Now, if you come in here, you're going to have to, you can watch a little video here.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood.
And what this is going to do is going to put you in a temporary holding position. So that if you do decide to join, then you'll take that position. All right, then you'll be placed in the matrix. Now, I hear that 2,000 people a day are joining. This has only been out for, I think, 7 weeks. I think this is the 7th week. So it's really taken off. And this could really blow up big. What you're going to do, put your name here, your email address, reserve my position, and you're going to go in and you'll be able to look at everything in here, everything available, and you'll be able to make a decision whether you want to just make a purchase of a product because they are highly discounted and they do have some really good products. Or if you do want to join the affiliate side as well and purchase products and also make money while you're doing so. So this is what you'll see, and then you'll get in and take the tour. Now, this is a little tour I'm giving you anyway, but you can also, once you are in here, you can also promote to just people if they want to make purchases, or people if they, this is for the retail site. So if you just want to send them this so that they can just purchase the products, and this would be for the corporate side. So this would just be for shopping. And they have some swag and stuff in there too, but really for me, it's about the products. It's like I said, I just put a big order in because we definitely use these all the time. And if we can get them for this much of a discount, then we're going to do that. Some of the other things they have in here, I'm just going to show you real quick. So plant-based protein, super green, super reds, organic coffee, which we've got some of this coming. We're going to try this. CBD oil for people and for pets as well. Actually, one of our dogs has to be on CBD because she's got really bad hips and she's getting old. So this is going to help a lot with that because it is expensive. And then it's got your aminos. They've got 2 flavors in here. You've got some more vitamins here. And then down here, you've got this is for energy and electrolytes. And you've got, of course, who doesn't want to stay looking young? So you've got some, lotions, stuff for your skin. And then down here, they've got some packages that you can just, if you want a full package, you can just go get that. Then they've got some swag down here, shaker bottles, t-shirts, hats. So now's the time. If you want to save a lot of money on supplements, and then if you want to make some of that money back, I think it's going to be pretty easy to make it back because you get automatic placements as you go. So if I bring someone in, then they go under me. Now, if who I came in, they bring somebody in, they're going to go under me. So it's going to keep going, right? So now's a good time to get into this while it's early. Check it out. We've got a really good team going for this product, and I'm expecting great things. Follow us. We're going to show you exactly how to market this if you want to do so. And like I said, it's a cheap, easy way to get into this business and make a few bucks on the side. So, all right, guys, appreciate you being here. Like I said, please subscribe. If you got any value out of this video, please leave me a like on it. And we will see you on the next one. Later.